Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel. My name is Shirley, and on this channel you're gonna find lifestyle, mummyhood, and cleaning videos amongst other things. So my family and I spend most of our day in the kitchen or in the living room just eating up a storm and lounging around, especially during quarantine. So on this day I had just finished cooking dinner and I thought, you know what, I want to take my YouTube family along with me as I clean my kitchen. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video and that it brings you some cleaning motivation. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to cleaning.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you've lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. Yeah.
OMG, guys, that was so good. I was rocking to the music. So this is the end of the video. I hope you are able to get some cleaning done. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of when I upload all of my cleaning videos, and be sure to check the description box below for all of my social media links so we can keep in touch, and for all of the products I use in this video. And last but not least, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.